Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Wandb and Pytorch are installed, then log in with your API key so runs sync. Once done, define a concise config dict for hyperparameters and call Wandb. Init with project and config, this creates the run context and metadata. Next, wrap your model training to reference Wandb. Config, so the code reads values from a single source of truth. This immediate integration saves time and prevents drift between experiments, making comparisons reproducible and clear. You now instrument the training loop to capture what matters. Inside the loop, call Wandb. Log every batch or epoch to record loss, accuracy, learning rate, and custom scalars. This gives live dashboards. Also, call Wandb. Watch to track gradients and parameter histograms. This helps diagnose training dynamics. When you save checkpoints, register them as Wandb. Artifact so you can version models and reproduce results. These steps make experiments auditable, and once configured, you get rich visualizations automatically. You finish by saving final checkpoints and calling Wandb. Finish to flush logs and mark the run complete. This prevents partial uploads. Then create final artifacts for the model and test dataset so others can load exact binaries. If something goes wrong, first check your API key and network connectivity, then confirm the project and entity names match. Also inspect Wandb logs for authentication or quota errors. If uploads stall, try a smaller log frequency and rerun to isolate the failing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.